Tōku reo. Tōku ohoho. Tōku reo. Mai rio rei te iwi, ko Tia Takarangi Chan tōku ingoa, no Ruatoria. Nau mai haere mai ki tēnei kōpai e kia nei, ko tōku reo, tōku ohoho. Throughout this DVD, we'll be looking at how kiwaha and whakatauki used by a tipuna can still be used by us today. Let's meet the crew. First up, there's Kane. Easy on the eye, cool guy.
Kane!
Oh, but I gotta say, he is a bit of a hianga.
Tau reka reka. Ke tere, haere me te wā.
Then we've got Kemara. Let's just say he's got his priorities. Tamia.
Tahi,
Well, let's just say she keeps herself occupied in interesting ways.
toru,
And last but definitely not least, this is Hini.
Was that another girl?
E te iwi, that's the crew. You're watching Tōku Reo, Tōku Ohoho. Mā taki taki mai. Tōku Reo.